Oh no! Now it's making me yawn. Are you yawning too? Excuse me, little Poppin.
Hi, I'm Savannah. I'm a skills coach and mental health advocate, and we have a package. Oh, it's so gross. It's so wet outside. I guess we'll just rip the box. Okay. Different than what I expected. I kind of expected a slightly different shape. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. Ooh. Okay, so we have two sides. It has little magnets so that it can kind of clip together. Ooh. Oh, I kind of like that even more. If you flip them around, then you get a little bit of a to give you an idea of the size. Similar to an icebreaker, a little smaller. Pretty small little doodad. You could have this in your pocket and nobody's really going to notice probably, but it is quite clanky, I think on purpose. It adds a little extra sound in it, so that's cool. A fidget toy from Amazon. Check it out.